Sino nga ba yung pinaka-friendly sa lahat ng candidate? Yan, si candidate number 3. Sponsor po yan ang coach. Ayan, yung pumili po ng gift question natin ay mga candidates mismo. Ano, ibig sabihin, napaka-friendly po talaga ni candidate number 3. Char. This time is the Best in Swiftfoot Award, garnering the score of 92.6%. Best in Swimsuit to be awarded by Sir Ernest Piano and Sir Gina Graga. Best in Swimsuit is none other than candidate number. Step forward, candidate number 4. Para lang sila nakapalaksa. Para di sila nakikita nito. Kalungsod, pag may awarding, nagpipilihan ng mga tao. Okay. Again, palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen. With an average score of 92.6%, best is candidate number 4.
Sa unahan.
Ayan, thank you so much. Together with our judge, Sir Zano and Mr. Graga. A very beautiful transgender artistic number 2. Ayan, Charla. The next award is Best in Dance Showdown, to be awarded by Marcesa Arabalo and Nick Arby. Our Best in Dance Showdown is candidate number 2. With an average score of 98.8%. Wow, grabe. Taktas. Ang sa Dance Showdown. Palakpakan po natin si candidate number 2. Ano? Buwis buhay na performance. Panampakan. Candidate number 2. Ayan, magaling.
Iya. Iya, katanay.
Candidate number 2 is the best in Dance Showdown.